Hello everyone, this is Di Shan from China. Today, I'd like to share with you some coughing treatment from the traditional Chinese wisdom. If you were coughing badly and feel not so good at your throat, and there were no doctors, no medicines available nearby, you could use your thumb to feel around your wrist to find some acupoints such as Shenmen, Daling, Lieque, etc. Or forget about the acupoints, just feel around the wrist to find some pain spots to massage for a few minutes until you feel better about your throat. If you feel good, please feel free to share this video to those who are in need. May you be healthy all the time.